Presenting, all-in-one solution to supercharge your WordPress site speed. Stay to the end of this video to grab 12 plus bonuses for free plus 15% discount for a limited time. Take action from the link in the description. Grab this cutting-edge WP plugin to make your WP site perform up to 1030x faster and satisfy Google's need for speed to gain higher rankings and insane traffic. With just a few clicks. Proudly presents WP-SpeedyEzy. An all-in-one, advanced WordPress plugin that makes your site smoking fast with just a few clicks of your mouse. It took care of everything for you. In the background, it activates the corresponding functions to carry out the required functionality, so that you can experience a drastically improved website performance in the front end. It helps in optimizing your website by removing all unwanted scripts, styles, functions, options, etc., which will take you ages to do or pay a pretty penny to have a programmer take care of it for you. The best part is, this plugin is designed to offer you functionalities of almost 12 different WordPress plugins at the price of just one. Plug-in WP-SpeedyEzy into action is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Install the plugin. Download and install this awesome plugin in your WordPress dashboard and your site. Do not forget to activate it. Step 2. Customize settings. From the simple, user-friendly interface, select the options you want to optimize or remove. Step 3. Save your changes and enjoy bullet-fast sites. Click on the Save Setting buttons and voila, you are done. Now just recline and enjoy the perks of having a super fast site. And that's just it. No coding skills, no extra work, no long working hours frustration, everything is done with just a few clicks of your mouse. Don't take our words, see the beast in action. Grab your bonuses from the link description. Here you will get with this product. Bonus 1, WP YouTube Leads plugin. Bonus 2, WP Cool Live Chat.